I'm Soren Swanson.
I'm Nick Lorenza.
And I'm Madison Hughes.
And we're three of the students that worked on this WSCAM project for our middle school, Kane area middle school. We went to Custom Built Manufacturing, a business in Kane, PA that makes custom tow trucks.
The company was founded in 2006, and we started the company. It wasn't owned by anybody. We started it ourselves.
This is final assembly. Before final assembly, there are many things necessary to complete a custom-built tow truck.
As you guys saw earlier when you were through the shop today, I do a lot of bending of material.
How many workers do you have in your business?
Right now, I think we have 41.
From raw metal to looking pretty and fancy, from sandblast to priming, sanding, and painting.
We ensure that someone has a truck that can clear the road of an accident, a breakdown, or any other kind of inconvenience that can really hold up traffic.